you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to come up. You're going stepping with your left. 5, wrap 6, step other leg right. 7, wrap 8 to go to the left. 1 and 2, swing to the right. 3, step in. 4, step out with your left. 5, step together. 6, step out with the right. 7, step together. 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, step left. 5, 6, step right. 7, 8 to the left. 1, 2 to the right. 3, 4, step left. 5, 6, step right. 7, 8. This is the one and only time. Well, not the only time, but I'll do it to the back for y'all. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. 5, 6 to the right. 7, 8. And that is it.